Okay, if you have been wondering on how to move abroad through sponsor East travels, how to travel to work abroad through sponsor East travels, in this video, I will provide you detailed information on how to start your program. All you need to do is to focus on this video and listen to it while I explain everything in detail. So my name is Dean from Sponsor East Travels. All you need to do first is to reach out to our WhatsApp team. We have a dedicated WhatsApp team. This WhatsApp team will provide you all the information you need about our programs. So to reach out to our WhatsApp team, all you need to do is to visit our website. On the website, you see our WhatsApp link. You click on it, then you reach out to them. Then they will provide you list of countries that will offer sponsorship to, because we have list of countries, not all countries that will offer sponsorship to, right? And you have to qualify. That means you have to be interested in moving to any of the countries. You don't just select a country, bring any country and say, sponsor me to this country. No, we have selected list of countries. So when they give you select, they're going to also provide you with detailed information for our programs. We have different programs. We have work visa sponsorship, permanent resident program, pay as you go, and all other programs. So they're going to, provide you detailed information for each of the programs about how the program works, total package, initial deposit, and payment process, processing time, reform policy, everything. They will, even send you the link of the programs on our website. So you go to our website, you see detailed information for that particular program. Make sure you take your time to go through the detailed information on the program on our website. Also, they will send you a voice note. On that voice note, they explain everything you need to know and the next step. So after you have visited the website, also you will see list of available jobs, which is list of jobs that we can help candidates to secure. So when you go through the list of the job, you must have experience in any of the jobs before we can sponsor. You must have skill or experience. So if you don't have skill or experience in any of the job, it means that we cannot sponsor you too, because there's no how we can secure a job for you without you having skill and experience in any of the jobs, right? And after you have done that, the next thing you need to do is now to book appointments to visit our office for an information and assessment section. For information and assessment section is mandatory. It's a mandatory process for us to evaluate candidates, for us to evaluate you to know if you are the right candidate for us. And all you need to do is when they send you the link, it's a form, then you fill your information, choose the available countries that you're interested in, choose the program, list, provide all that informations, right? You need, right? You visit our office during the day of the section. If you visit our office, you can come with anybody. You can come with a brother, a friend, can come with a lawyer, can come with 1-2 persons, right? It's an information section and assessment. You come there, you listen, we provide detailed information. You ask questions, you hear other people ask questions, people share the experiences, you meet other persons, you interact, and all of that. Then you submit your document. For instance, you choose I'm a carpenter, I'm a bricklayer, I'm a healthcare provider, and all of that, mechanic, whatever it is, you're going to send us your document, your educational qualifications, your skill training qualifications, your work histories, and all of that. These are the things we're going to use to evaluate you to know the job you say you can do. Do you have the document that qualifies it? So with that, we're going to look at it, and our board of directors will now review those information and decide if you are qualified for us to sponsor you or not. At the same time, also, not just about the skill side, we also look at your type of person, right, when it comes to the sponsorship. So not just about the skill, we also look at the person physically. That's why we ask people to visit our office, right? And visiting our office is free. You are not required to make any payments, right? You're not making any payment before or during the section, because the session is about information and eligibility. So it is after the section, our board of directors will send you an email, which is like assessment result to you, right? To your email, the email you used to book the section. you fill the form. That email you used to fill the form, they will send you the called assessment result. On that assessment result, you get it like 2 days or 3 days after the section. 2 days or 3 days after the section, to make sure that we have gone through your detail and determined if you are the right candidate for us to sponsor you, right? If you are qualified, you will see from the email that you are qualified. If you are not qualified, you also see the email. And also you have the option to reject. When we sponsor you, travel said that you are qualified for them to sponsor you. If you visit our office and you are not happy what you saw, what you heard and everything, you're not comfortable with it, then you can decide that, okay, this company, I'm not interested. You reject it, right? Then if you are good, you accept the offer. After accepting the offer, the next thing is you will send the agreement. The agreement contains, for the program you are interested in, is detailed explanation of what have been explained to you, how the program works, what I just mentioned in terms of the total package, initial deposit, and all of that, terms and conditions and all of that. That's what is in the agreement. Then you sign the agreement. You print the agreement, sign, then send back to us through email, right? Or sometimes the agreement is in a form. We send you the form, you fill your details, then you go through the agreement, then you opt yes in for the program, then you submit the form, then we begin the process. That is how the program works. Then you make payment and intake officer will be assigned to you. Intake officer is somebody who is directly will be communicating with you, providing you further detailed information about programs and your questions and clarifications. So basically that is how it works. So in summary, how do you start? Reach out to our WhatsApp team through our website. Then our WhatsApp team will provide you all the information you need. Then if you are good with all the information they gave to you, they provided for you on WhatsApp, then you book a section to visit our office. If you visit our office, you can come with anybody. You're not required to make payment to visit our office. Then after there, you're not making payment in the office. It's information assessment. And we assess you if you are the right candidate for us. If you qualify, then you accept the offer, which email will be sent to you through our board of directors. Then when you accept the offer, we send the agreement covering the program you apply for. You print the agreement, sign, or we send you, the agreement comes in two different forms, either printing or through the form. You fill and submit the form. Then intake officers are assigned to you, make payments, and your program begins. So after your program begins, what next? In the next video, I will explain to you what next after you have been assigned an intake officer, you make payments. Then I'm sure you would like to know what next happens. Watch the next video.